That's right. Happy Halloween, vatos. Once again, beyond the fog, behind the scenes at Knott Scary Farm, vatos. Broad daylight. No scary monsters popping out. No scary lights. Everything behind the scenes, how it works. You got all the monstros, all the scary looking vatos. You know, you got the devil's house. And you got vatos hanging from the puerta. You know, you got people gutted out. That vato look like Jackie Chan. You know, just check it out. Beyond the fog, Knott Scary Farm. For those of you that don't like to get scared, this is the time to go and check out behind the scenes. Only here with SNL Adventures in Food, vatos. And don't forget to subscribe. Or else, pues te agarra la llorona.